Hi everybody and welcome to LG Info channel. In this video I'm going to show you all the controls and gestures of your LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker. The first one is the pause and play control. You have to find yourself a this pause and play button, which is over here, and tap that just to pause and play your music. To switch to the next song, we have to double tap this button, and to go back, we have to do a triple tap. To increase the volume level, we have to tap plus, and to lower the volume level, minus. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.